You click buy and it shows up at your door the next day. It feels like magic, right? But behind that simple click is a mind-bogglingly complex web of ships, trucks, and warehouses. Honestly, it's chaos. And the only reason it all works at this incredible speed is artificial intelligence. Let's break it down. Traditional logistics is all about reacting. A shipment gets delayed and you scramble to fix it. It's like constantly putting out fires. AI logistics is completely different. It's predictive. It solves problems before they even begin. It's the difference between fighting a fire and preventing the spark in the first place. So, how does it do it? First, there's demand forecasting. AI doesn't just look at past sales. It analyzes weather patterns, social media trends, news cycles, everything to predict exactly what people will want to buy and when. The result? Warehouses are stocking up on umbrellas before the rain starts, not during the downpour. Second, smart warehousing. Imagine a warehouse where robots navigate the most efficient path to grab your items, saving miles of walking every single day. AI-powered cameras scan every package for damage in a fraction of a second. And get this, companies create digital twins, virtual copies of their entire warehouse to test new layouts and find bottlenecks without moving a single physical shelf. It's a total game changer. Third, route optimization. That last mile of delivery from the local hub to your doorstep is the most expensive part of the whole journey. AI calculates the absolute perfect route for thousands of packages simultaneously, factoring in real-time traffic, fuel costs, and specific delivery windows. We're talking millions saved in gas and a massive reduction in CO2 emissions. Fourth, real-time visibility. Where is your package right now? Is that container ship stuck in a canal? AI tracks shipments across oceans and continents, constantly predicting potential delays. This gives companies a heads up, allowing them to instantly switch to air freight or find a new supplier before a small delay becomes a huge problem. And the future, it's already happening. We're talking about fully autonomous delivery. Drones dropping packages in rural areas, little sidewalk bots zipping around cities, and self-driving trucks cruising down highways. This isn't science fiction anymore. These systems are being tested in cities around the world right now. In the end, the logistics game is one on efficiency, and AI is the ultimate efficiency engine, making everything faster, cheaper, and smarter. If you found this interesting, please like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. Your support really helps us create more content just like this. Thanks for watching.